After purchasing a new iPhone, you will probably want to restore all of the information that you had stored on your old phone. To do so, plug your new phone into your computer using the charging cable that comes with your new iPhone. If iTunes does not automatically open, click the iTunes icon to open the application. In the iTunes window, you'll be presented with two options: to set up as a new phone or to restore from an iPhone backup. Select the backup that you would like to restore from, and then hit Continue. After starting the restore process, give your phone a few minutes for the data to be placed back on your iPhone. Once you see your phone's name reappear in the iTunes window, then you have successfully finished restoring your iPhone.